wanted to get a good video of this area. I already pulled some wires out of place, but they're still near the location to where whatever they go to. This particular wire right here. This particular wire, I should have taken a note where the hell I got this stuff from. And I didn't. I just figured a wire like that, it'd be goddamn near impossible to put that in the wrong spot, because it couldn't fit but one place. And it probably goes to something that I already pulled off this little thingamajigger here. This goes to something I already pulled off the truck. I just wanted to make a note of that. It probably goes on. I remember these hoses. Okay, that goes to that. And this goes to your radiator, I think. No, that goes to here. This came from off of here. So I want to just make a note of that. That came from there. This hose here, I'll figure out where they go. It can't be no rocket science to figure that back out. Okay, that goes to that back. I see right now. Let me put it on now. It's my fault. I'm doing this backwards. I'm not a real YouTuber. As you can see, else I'd have had my shit ready like the YouTubers. But I'm just taking this video to make sure I put everything back where it was. And this particular hose went here. And this right here, this is my, oh, that goes to my reservoir. That's my reservoir hose. I'm trying to stick it somewhere else. You seen that? Y'all gotta watch me. All right. Now, I see on this side, that little pipe thing got a little hose to it that looks similar to this one. So, I'm assuming I took that off of something similar to that. Maybe not. All right. Now I'm finna try to find out where in the hell I yanked that from. Because I see now where I got this hose from. Let's see. This right here. That goes to this. Look at that. See this? This yellow thing? That goes right here. I think he said that was a PVC or some shit or whatever. Alright. Now, this hose is coming from this as well. See this hose right here? This hose goes to that little device right there too. But it stretches back to this little pipe right here on your throttle body. Throttle body slash what's this thing here? Manifold. Not manifold. I forgot what that's called. Intake. Throttle body. And your intake. That's PVC. I see you got another little